Hi guys, and welcome back to yet another video. Today's going to be a nice simple dish. We're going to be doing red mullet with a nice little herby butter as well. So for today's ingredients, we're going to be using some freshly picked rosemary, some freshly picked mint, some coriander, garlic, 1 green chilli, ginger, thyme, ground coriander, ground cumin, oregano, and obviously our butter as well. So getting started, what we're going to do, get the coriander, chop it down like that. Remember, we want those fine pieces, so we're going to go around with a knife, just like that. Secondly, get the mint. We're going to do exactly the same as what we did with the coriander. Right, so the ginger. I'm going to get rectangle pieces like this. And what we want to do is we just want to group them all together, and we're going to use the same process that we used with the mint and the coriander. We're just going to break it down, just like that. So after that, moving on to the garlic. The easiest way to do this is cut the ends off, but not all the way down. And what that does is that allows you to peel the outside bits off, just like that, nice and easy. And with this one, we're not going to dice it down, we just want those nice pieces like that. So the last of the chopping is the green chilli. Stalk comes off, and with this one, down the middle. I'm going to keep all the stuff on the inside, flatten it, and we're going to cut down like that. So the final process, we're just going to add all the rest of our little bits, get the rosemary in there. What you're going to do is you're going to run your finger down the stalk, and it gets it all off like that. Ground coriander, thyme, cumin, a bit of oregano. Also in this one, add a bit of the white wine, just to help sweat it down. And finally, butter. And we're going to keep that on a medium heat. So while you get your pan nice and hot, we're just going to put some olive oil over the top and just a light bit of seasoning like that. Now that the pan's nice and hot, what we're going to do is we're going to get a little bit of our butter that we had, put it into the pan, and what we're going to do is we're just going to lay our fish on top like that. And we're just going to let the skin crisp, get a nice brown colour for about 3 to 4 minutes. Brilliant, so now that we've given it some time to sort of get that nice brown skin colour, we're just going to flip it, and we're going to leave that for about another 3 minutes. So now you're giving it that extra time, what we're going to do is just pop it on the pan. We're going to make sure our oven is set to 200 degrees, and what we're going to do is we're just going to pop that in there for another 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's been in the oven for 10 minutes, just take it out. It's really hot. Put it on a nice surface that will contain the heat. What I'm going to do, take it off like that. On the plate, and our sauce that we made, we're just going to pour over the top. So there we have it guys, there's my red mullet with herby butter. Be sure to like, subscribe and get that notification bell on, and tune into the next video. Thank you for watching.